Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
A chevron louver door insert, okay.
Yeah, it's a ZEE ALV A4 core 18 by 36.
Okay.
So with these louvers, they're two parts.
Core would not be a two-part system.
That you wouldn't put it into a door.
Well, you would,
it's
but it's not a two-part system.
Okay, so what is it? Just the chevrons, the slats?
Basically, yeah. If you're looking at a core, that's going to be the inverted V's or the chevrons. They will be arranged in the proper structure. They will then be banded. They will have a perimeter of wood with staples at each end of each slat to the size that you order.
So that doesn't have like the brick molding on the side, the finished trim and stuff?
No, there's three ways to do it. There's the core, which we're talking about. Then there's the core with flush molding. Then there's the kit. That's a screw together sort of scenario, which is what it sounds like you want. Right.
So what's that cost for 18 wide by 36 high, a couple of them?
Okay, well, upper left-hand corner, door and frame components, then wood louvers, and you want chevron type, you want lip molding, you want alder beech would be the species?
Sure.
Okay. 1 3/4 inch?
Yeah, it's a metal door we're going to cut a hole in.
You want wood louvers or do you want a steel louver?
I think we want wood louvers.
Okay. And then you said 18 by 36?
Yep, two of them.
1836, quantity 2, quantity 2. Total cost with freight, $374.
For two of them. And what's the SKU on those kits?
Well, the best thing to do is to refine the navigation because you're not going to be able to search it. So,
oh, really?
So you want me to walk you through the steps I just went through?
Sure. So I'm looking at the computer right now, and so subcategories: core only, flush moldings, lip moldings.
Okay, so which do you want? You want lip molding, so click that.
Okay.
Then select your species of wood.
No, I can't believe this. It just says there it goes.
The site is literally trying to index thousands of products every time you refresh.
Right.
So species
wood. It's just now. So I think the alder beech.
Okay. Then select your door thickness.
The metal door, I'm sure it's 1 3/4. And then now just scroll down.
Nope.
To the side.
Nope. No. Oh yeah, yes sir. Yes sir. Select 18. Yes sir. And then select 36. And then when you get there, it'll be the only item on the page.
Yep, there it is.
So what sort of technical question do you have about it? That's my area of expertise.
Well, this is going to be two parts, and they'll just screw together. Cut my door square, rectangle 19 by 37. Would that be correct, huh?
I think so. So yeah, it is two pieces. You're going to get the core and its fixed trim all as a single piece. Then the interior of the door would be just the trim that will have some holes drilled and countersunk in it to run the screws through. And then on the exterior
okay. We'll never see that side anyway. Actually, this door is We have a lock and bar, like a boiler, and then a
Boiler?
passive hot water heater in this little
No.
room.
It's commercial?
No, it's a residence.
Oh, okay, okay.
Right. It's just that the door is a 3 foot by 8 foot steel door, and we just leave it open all the time because all that nice warmth is coming out of there, you know, and it's just extra heat for this 3-story building. You know, so yeah, we're going to louver the door so we can keep the door shut and have the warm air come out.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll end up working that way. I would think the equipment inside of there is going to have a CFM requirement.
Oh, it's all like the boiler's got its own outside air. You know, it's got its own. It's just it's for radiant heat. You know, so it has like a 4-inch tube sucking fresh air into it to burn, and then it's got its own exhaust. So there's no carbon monoxide problem or anything.
Right on.
So I sure appreciate your help, man. And boy, that's a great price too, really.
Well, it's the freight that kills you.
Yeah. I guess I haven't seen the freight price yet. All right, but all right, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Sure thing. My name is Richard.
All right, Richard, have a great week. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.